What's poppin'? I'm back with another video. I'm back on my bullshit if you can't tell. So it's been a minute since I made a video. Actually, it's probably been like almost 3 weeks. The last video I made was my Las Vegas vlog, and to be honest, since then I just been like I've been really out of it. I haven't been going to the gym. A video about that soon. You know, I just been like going through the motions. Like, it's just been dry and whack. So I'm here spicing up my life, giving myself some inspo, and I was like, you know what, I've had this color for a good minute now. You know, it was pink, but it pretty much washed out, and I was kind of just rocking the bleached out version of my hair. But I think it's time to do some more color again. So I visited my dear old friend Sally. Lavender hair dye, semi-permanent, the same kind as the one that I used in my last video. The process that I'm going to do for my hair is going to be pretty much the same as my last video, just a couple extra things. So I have this is the, what number is this, 3050-8085 lavender ion hair color brilliance. And yeah, this is two different kinds. This is like the old one, and then this is their like brights version. So I just have one of each. Then I bought something different from the last video, so I'm hoping that it'll turn out better than the pink, because personally the pink didn't come out as nice as I wanted it to. I mean, the color showed, but it washed out and faded out really quickly, and like the undertones from bleaching it, like the yellows and the orange, just no matter how much I purple shampooed it, it was just not coming out. So this time, bye. I went and got some toner, Luella toner T18, and this is for the lightest ash blonde, and then just some 20 volume cream developer. So this is supposed to completely cancel out all the oranges and whatnot from before. This is new to me because I know I need to tone when I go blonde, but I never knew you needed toner or developer for toner. So I got that. I got my hair dye. I use the same bleach powder from before, but I'll show you guys again. It's the basic white. I have the tub, and then I just mix it with some 40 volume developer because that's just what I have. And I have some plastic bags because this time I'm gonna cover my head in this to help with the processing with the bleach. And I've already made my mixture. I made it a lot more runny, so hopefully, you know, I don't have to make a lot like the last time. I don't have to keep making it like before. Like before, I already cut my hair down some because it was getting kind of longish. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. It's kind of weird because my roots are growing out, so I'm not sure how I like to apply it so that my roots can be the same color as everything else. Let's get some music.
Okay.
Bleach has only been on my hair for like 10, maybe 15 minutes, but it's like stinging in the back and my scalp is burning, so I'm just gonna check it. It stings. I don't know. Is that light enough? But you can rock this. Sorry, let me stop. You guys tell me, is it done? How's the back look? Let me know. I feel like it still looks kind of orangey though. Maybe like, ooh, it's itchy. Maybe like 5 more minutes, but then I gotta put the toner. The toner will probably I'm gonna do like I got no idea what I'm doing, y'all. This is experimentation. I done told y'all I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just documenting because I be playing with my hair a lot, and I might as well just show it on my channel. I'm gonna leave it on for like call me Badu 10 more minutes. Let me see if we can get any lighter because I don't want no problems. Mix the toner now. The toner and the instructions say to leave it on for 30 minutes. And it says mix 1 part Wella Charm toning color with 2 parts 20 volume developer. So I guess that means, I thought this was like a one and done, but I guess this means that I could use this a couple times. Just to show y'all again, this is the one I'm using, T18 Palest Ash Blonde, or Lightest Ash Blonde, my bad. And this should cancel out any yellows and orange. It says extra mild, gentle to the hair, tones pre-lighten hair evenly. 1 part with 2 parts 20 volume, air applied to towel dried hair, and develop for up to 30 minutes, checking frequently for desired results. I wonder if I should cover it too. I think I will. 1 part's this. This is the Wella now. Let's see. Oh, that smells crazy. I've never used a toner before. Whoa. It smells like freaking bleach. So I guess that's like 1 part here. That's how much I used. Now I'm taking the 20 vol. It's the same, the Wella. And I'm gonna do 2 parts of that. Mix it up. This stuff is strong. But I should get a good, like a great color payoff. I could just stay blonde for a minute. The fuck? I'll go blonde in the summer. I'm gonna do a little bit more because I don't think I have enough for my whole head. So there we go. It's like, oops, sugar, spice, and everything nice to create some black girl magic. This is how much I have. Remember, I don't have any here. It looks like a yeast infection. And it says to apply to towel dry hair, so I'm gonna wash my hair with some purple shampoo. Yeah, I'm gonna come back after the toner has, you know, worked its magic, and I'm about to apply the color. It's now 11:55 and I put it on at 11:35. Damn, it's still early in the day and I'm getting so much sun or whatever. There was like a spot in here and a spot back here when I washed the bleach out that my roots were still really dark. Of course, I can never just get it right the first time, so I had to like, or I didn't have to, but I just made like a little bit more bleach, like I just like made it with my finger or whatever, and like got those parts and left that on for like another 10 minutes, and it lightened up a little bit, but not to the color of the rest of it. But hopefully it's not too noticeable once I do put the color on. So the toner was kind of sitting for like 15 minutes before I put it on, which I don't know if that's a bad thing or not, because it was white when I mixed it, you guys saw, but it was purple when I put it on. So it's all on there now, and it stings. It freaking stings right now. Lord, please, please, I just want to be lavender. So once I wash the toner out, I'm gonna put the color in, and I'm gonna use this one. This is the Brights version. This is like the newer formula, just because I think I'll only need 1 tube. Open it and show you guys. So it's all that in a bag of chips. I'm sorry. I'm gonna mix it with some of the same thing like I did in my last video, the Miel Organics Babassu Oil Deep Conditioner, and I'm pretty sure this is color safe. I'm just gonna mix a little bit because if I put too much, it's gonna change the color of this, like it's gonna lighten it too much. But you know, this has all the proteins and stuff like that. It says protein / moisture replenisher for dry damaged hair, which of course is yo girl after all this damn processing. So mix these together, and I'm gonna leave it on my hair for like as long as I want to. Probably leave it on there for like an hour or more. And of course, I'm gonna check in when I'm done. So let me put you on real quick. Side note. I don't even like scissors when I'm eating this. I just washed the toner out. My scalp is on fire. You guys gonna see with me at the same time. My hair looks like, cause I didn't even look yet. Okay, this was not bad.
Wait, I got a question.
What?
Do my teeth look yellow with this color?
Yeah.
Cola. Play my music.
I'm so glad I got you here.
My young racheta. I look like Chiquita Banana, the lady on the Chiquita Banana package. So this hair dye has been on for like, let's say like an hour and a half, and I did check it one time and it seemed to be doing pretty good. Wash it off and see what we get. I shouldn't speak too soon, but I would say that I'm feeling it a lot more than the pink. One last thing I forgot is it's all faded, but it's the Ion color sealer. It's a step 2, and I think I've used it a couple of times, but I think I was using it wrong this whole time, because now that I'm reading the instructions, it actually says to leave this on for 10 minutes. Alright, I'm running out of daylight hours, but this is the finished product. It's kind of dark in here, so you can't even see like what it fully looks like. It is kind of dark actually though, like it's not as bright as I had expected to be, but you know, I like it, because I think if it was brighter it kind of would have scared me a little bit. And I can lay my edges again, because when I had the blondes I couldn't. So yes, that is all I did for my hair. I bleached it, I toned it, I added the color, moisturized, and this is the outcome. I like this a lot. This will be easy to maintain, I'm glad, because the pink was not. I'm complaining about that pink. Although I will be pink again. Well, hopefully you guys like my video. I'm glad to be making videos again. Like I said, I was in a little bit of a rut, but I'm glad to be making videos again, and I'm glad that I'm inspired. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're almost to 100 subscribers, and I don't know if I mentioned in any of my previous or recent videos, but once I make it to 100 subscribers, I am gonna do like a 50 facts about me or some type of Q&A type of video, just because I haven't really said much about who I am and what the hell I'm doing on YouTube. So yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. My battery's about to die.